Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to Revolut. So here's the step number one, is to understand the process. So Phantom Wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet, so it stores assets like Sol or Solana or the SPL tokens. It looks something like this, the logo. And then Revolut accepts fiat currency, like for example USD and EUR. And it may also allow cryptocurrency deposits for certain accounts. Now, the process involves converting your crypto to fiat and then transferring the fiat to Revolut. So, you have to sell crypto on a compatible exchange. Phantom Wallet does not allow direct fiat withdrawals, so you'll need to transfer your crypto to a crypto exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. So to do that, you just have to follow these steps. So step number one is to send crypto to Phantom, from Phantom to exchange. Now open Phantom Wallet, select the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw. So in this example, the Solana. Then you have to click send and then enter the wallet address provided by the exchange for that crypto. And then you just have to confirm the transaction. Now ensure you use the correct blockchain like Solana network for Sol. So it looks something like this. Now sell crypto for fiat on the exchange. Once your crypto arrives in the exchange wallet, go to the trading or sell section. Then you just have to convert your crypto to fiat currency. For example, these. Now withdraw fiat to Revolut. After converting your crypto to fiat, you have to link Revolut account to the exchange. Now add your Revolut bank details, like these, to the exchange as the withdrawal method. Some exchanges allow withdrawals directly to Revolut via SEPA, transfer in Europe, or other supported methods. Now initiate the withdrawal. To do that, just go to withdraw section on the exchange. Enter the amount to withdraw and select your Revolut account. And then lastly is to confirm the transaction. You just have to wait the funds to arrive. SEPA or bank transfer to Revolut usually takes 1 to 3 business days. For Revolut, it will notify you once the funds are credited to your account. And that's basically it. That's how you withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to Revolut. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!